Hi, this is Zach from GenTech Scientific. Today we're going to do a little bit of a tech tip. I'm working on a Finnegan LTQ. We've been having some problems with the vacuum system along with other things, but we're going to currently talk about the vacuum system. If we look up here, we can see that the ion gauge actually has a value reading out. Earlier that wasn't the case. The first thing that I checked on here, if you come to the left side here, we're just going to move out of the way. In here we have this guy right here, so you can see that. It looks like a little light bulb. That's your ion gauge. It has this little cap on it. That cord goes all the way to the front here. We're going to follow that all the way to the front. It's this blue cable right here, and it goes into this board right here. This board is the source board. It does a lot of different things with the source of your instrument, but it also controls your vacuum system. What I found was, if you bump this, it clicks. And when it clicks, if we go and look at the screen again, we have no value there. And then we have a lot of more red X's up there. What that did was it turned off the ion gauge totally, so that light that you saw on there wouldn't be lit up. If we bump this correctly, we turn that back on, and then we get that value to come back. Now, we don't want it to be that sensitive, obviously. So what I will do next is either replace this cable or replace the board itself. The connector in here is probably what the issue is, but that's something to just keep aware of. If you have any connections that are loose like that and you can physically hear a clicking sound or it changes values on your instrument, you might just have a faulty connection, which might be the board or it might be the cable in general. So just something to keep an eye out for in the future.